Hi there! We're going to start a new pour, and these are the colors that I selected: Cobalt Teal Hue, Phthalo Blue, Vermillion Hue, Americana Banana Cream, and Americana Snow White. We're going to use premium paints and Americana paints together. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to put the colors in this 7 ounces cup, and I'm not going to talk so that I can fast forward. Treadmill inside the cup. Four. Gonna put a tiny bit of this white in here and take the color out of there. Let's just put some orange, and then we're gonna do the same with the orange. The yellow, and we're gonna do the same with the yellow. And do the same with this color. Okay, so let's get started with this. It's a 10 by 10 canvas, and we're gonna do a flip cup, and we're gonna put white around it. To fill in, because it will help you, will help with the formation of the cells, but it also help you fill the edges. And we're gonna wait a little bit until it goes down. Okay, so let's open this baby, letting it sip underneath this white. Okay, let's start moving it. I'm gonna move it fast. Okay, let's bring the torch. Lots of tiny cells, but we're gonna make them bigger in a minute. Okay, I think it's enough. Gonna put back some gloves. Okay, so let's move these tiny bit so those small cells have the chance to get bigger. Very pretty. Very different and very pretty. I'm just going to take from the bottom and put it in these corners. Then you have to take something from the floor. You may need to take from the floor, that's all right. I do this on camera because that keeps moving and I keep losing some of the cells, so, and others get bigger, so I prefer doing it on camera so that you can see whatever is changing. You are seeing it better than me, and you probably are saying, oh no, she lost those cells. Oh well. This is what happens with these. Sometimes you gain some pretty cells, sometimes you lose others. That's how this works. There's nothing you can do. I'm going to bring some pretty color from the floor in there. Okay, like that. Because you have to finish the flowing. You have to let it flow and finish its movement. Now I'm going to let it be. And I put it on the floor. And I hope you like it. I really like it. It's different. I hope you join me for more. Have a wonderful day.